Lou's very own potty book. This is Lou's very own potty book. Hi, my name is Lou, and it's time for me to say I'm going to the big girl potty, and today is my big day. We're taking all my diapers and throwing them away in the trash, then out the door. It's awesome, I must say. It's big girl potty, big kid time, no matter what it's true. In the bathroom and on the throne for numbers 1 and 2. Everyone is proud of me in oh so many ways, but now I use the big girl potty and they're extra proud today. Climb aboard and do my deed. Flush and then I'm done. Wait, wash your hands. It's slippery, soapy fun. I'll celebrate with everyone. Today's a special day. We are all really glad. Hip hip hooray. Congratulations, Lou. Keep track of how many times you use the big potty. The end. Lou, try one of our other personalized books at firsttimebooks.com.